Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to show you how to make a yummy kheer out of the sweet potatoes or the ratalu. So what I have done here is I have taken around 3 medium sized sweet potatoes. I have boiled them and then I will peel them off like this. I will remove the skin, and what we need is we'll need around a cup of milk. Here I have taken cow milk. We need finely chopped, roughly actually chopped nuts. So whatever nuts you want to put, you can put. I have taken here around 4 cashew nuts, around 4 the almonds, and 3 to 4 pistachios. So I have finely chopped them like this. Then we need I have taken here around 5 teaspoons of the organic jaggery powder, and we need around 2 to 3 teaspoons of the ghee. Here I have organic cow ghee. Then we need a pinch of elaichi powder or the cardamom powder. So let's get started and start making the yummy fasting dish actually. So I have chopped the sweet potatoes into pieces, small pieces like this, and now I'll just mash them. No need to mash them thoroughly, you can just roughly mash them. And once we cook the sweet potatoes, anyway they will melt up in the kheer. So just lightly mash them like this. And now we will start making the kheer. So I have taken around 3 teaspoons of ghee in the pan. Now I'll roast the dry fruits on low flame till they get little brown in color and start releasing aroma. We just need to roast them till they leave the raw smell and they become nice and crunchy. Will take around 2 to 3 minutes, and the flame is on low so that we don't burn the nuts. We need to stir them continuously because then the heat is evenly distributed and it doesn't like burn the nuts in patches. So we just need to continuously stir them. Now you can see the color has changed and it has started releasing the aroma. So this is the perfect time to put our mashed sweet potato. So we'll saute this on low flame till the sweet potato takes up the flavor of the ghee. This will take around 4 to 5 minutes. So I'll do that and show you that. So as you can see, the sweet potato also has changed its color a bit. Now at this stage we'll put the milk. So this is around 1 cup of cow milk. So once we add the milk, we need to mix it well, and the mixture has to come to a consistency of the kheer. If you need more milk, you can use more milk, or you can put around 1/4 cup of water also into it. So now let this simmer on low flame for at least 4 to 5 minutes. We'll cover this and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. So the kheer has been cooking for around 3 to 4 minutes now. So I have put little water, maybe around 1/4 cup of water to adjust the consistency. So at this stage, I will add the organic jaggery powder. I have taken here around 3 to 4 teaspoons of the jaggery powder. I'll add it. You can make it with sugar also, but jaggery gives it more. It makes it more flavorful actually. So mix it well, and we can add a pinch of cardamom powder. Now let this now simmer for 2 more minutes, and the kheer will be ready to serve. So I'll serve and show you. Just cover it again, simmer it for 2 more minutes, and then it is ready to be served. So our yummy sweet potato kheer is ready. You can see how nicely it is bubbling, and it has cooked very well to perfection. You can adjust the consistency according to your like. And now the most important thing is, if you are using jaggery to make kheer, it is very important to use chemical free jaggery. If you use normal jaggery powder, then there is a chance that the milk will curdle up. So always make sure that you are using natural chemical free jaggery. Okay, so let's now serve the dish, and I'll show you back. So as you can see, I have served the dish of the most delicious and the most yummy, nutritious sweet potato kheer. This kheer is full of nutrition, and it is very filling recipe. So I hope you liked my recipe, and do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon, and share my videos with your friends and family, so that they also get benefit out of such easy and simple recipes that I make. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.